Hi everybody, I would like to show you how easy it is to use the Cashback app. You open the app, it will show you all the shops in your area, it will show you the online stores as well as some of the major brands that we are associated with. So if you want to shop at a small business, i.e. a coffee shop, restaurant, etc., you just click on the Cashback tab and that merchant or store owner will recognize you as a Cashback vendor on your member number, QR code or card number. Any of those three will just be a way for them to recognize that you're Cashback World. If I want to shop online, I click on the trolley. It will show me all the online stores in my country, but also abroad for those that are applicable with the rules and regulations of our country. If I want to go back to the home screen, I just click on the little sign at the bottom. If I want to shop with the national brands, I press on the E function, which is the own payment system for us, and it will show me all the stores in my country that I can shop at. But say for example I'm traveling and I'm in the Netherlands, I can just open up the Netherlands, and if I want to shop at HEMA for example, I say I want to buy for 10 euros, go to payment. It will give me the option of either paying with my credit that I've loaded or with my bank card. So if I choose the bank card option and I say I want to pay with my bank card, I click place an order and it connects me to the credit card provider. I'll enter my bank details once with my CCV code to authorize the sale, and then my card is linked to the platform. And that is how easy it is to use the Cashback World app. Should I want to share this app with others and give them the benefit too, I click on the man figure at the bottom, I say recommend free of charge, and I can share this with anybody on my address book. And when they shop, they also get these great benefits. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.